In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello keyboard shortcuts for faster card actions and navigation. By the end, you'll be able to move through your boards with confidence and get more done with far fewer clicks. Let's start right on a card. When you're hovering over any card, press C to archive it. Archiving isn't deleting. It simply clears it from the list so you can keep your board tidy. Need to keep the task but schedule it? Press D to open the due date picker and set a deadline that makes sense. If you're claiming a task for yourself, tap the space bar to assign or unassign yourself instantly. It's a fast way to manage your personal workload without opening any menus. For quick context and organization, press L to open the labels menu and add color-coded tags. Then press M to open the members menu to assign teammates. These two together make it crystal clear who's doing what and why it matters. To adjust what the card is called, press T to edit the title right where it sits. For more detail, press E. If you're hovering, E lets you edit the description or jump into viewing the card, which is perfect for adding notes or acceptance criteria. Need to create a related task? Hit N while hovering to create a new card directly below. This is great for breaking work into smaller, actionable items while keeping everything grouped. Now for fast navigation. Use J to select the card below and K to select the card above. This keeps your hands on the keyboard and your focus on the flow of the list. Want to move a card across lists? Press the left or right angle bracket keys to move it to the adjacent list. If you need it at the top of that list, hold Shift while pressing the right angle bracket, and Trello will place it right at the top, saving you from dragging and dropping. When you're switching context, press B to open the board's drawer and jump to another board quickly. To narrow your view on a busy board, press F to open the card filter menu and refine what you see. If you only want to focus on what's assigned to you, press Q to filter the board to your cards. And if your view ever looks too empty because of filters, press X to clear all active filters and bring everything back. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.